Controversial businessman, a newly appointed presidential special advisor on waste management and environmental sustainability, Delish Nguwaya, has secured another high-profile partnership with the city of Harare, further cementing his growing influence in Zimbabwe's waste management sector. Sabana Mashkubdani Vice Delish Nguwaya lands another lucrative Harare city deal weeks after presidential appointment that was subscribable like what on the bill. I continue na mubdani kwa mchinzi Nguwaya's company, Giacomo Waste Management, is partnered with the city of Harare to undertake weekly deep cleaning and disinfection operations in the capital's central business district, targeting areas that have become notorious public urination hotspots. The initiative, which will be carried out every Sunday, is aimed at improving sanitation and reducing health risks in the city center. The latest exercise covered several locations including Cleveland House on Cameroon Street, the Cameroon Street footbridge, the Resende open space at the corner of Julius Nyerere Way and the Robert Mugabe Way, the corner of Simon Venkai Muzenda Street and Robert Mugabe Way, Sanitary Lane between Genoa Street, Bianeanda Street and Jason Moy Avenue, the corner of Harare Street and Zamora Makio Avenue, as well as the areas around the Net One and Fidelity buildings along Nelson Mandela Avenue. While many residents have welcomed efforts to improve cleanliness in the capital, the partnership have also reignited debate over Harare's deteriorating sanitation infrastructure. Critics argue that regular cleaning alone will not solve the problem. Insisting the city should prioritize constructing more public toilets and restoring existing sanitation facilities to tackle the root causes of the public urination. The latest deal comes only days after Chief Secretary to President and Cabinet Martin Rushwaya announced Nguwaya's appointment as Presidential Special Advisor on Waste Management and Environmental Sustainability. Roma developments are kupangwa inai. Pinako message shemedu za fungura email to lipa msuru pichitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.